So this video right here is going to show you how I style this tee right here. This is the Rodman vintage tee from the homies at Tap In Sneakers. So I'm going to leave the link for all these items that's in the video. These cargo pants right here, the black ones, they're from Black Taylor. I'll leave the link in the video as well. You see me wearing sneaker slippers from Band Goods, so I'm going to leave that in here as well. I post stuff daily on Instagram and on TikTok as well. So if you like seeing photos and things like that, I've been posting them in the community feed as well. You're gonna definitely continue to get a ton of stuff from me. The Jordan 3 reimagined white cements. These are so fire. They match so many things in my wardrobe. Right here where you toss on the shoulder bag. Toss in a comment if you one of the guys to say no to any type of bag, messenger bag, shoulder bag, whatever. Now I pulled out the all black Raiders cap. Such an iconic cap. I definitely feel like the accessories pulled this outfit together pretty good. So drop in the comments what you think about this outfit. Would you rock it? Throw on my Beat headphones. That's the fit, y'all. I drop stuff on a daily basis. Check me out.